Drug tests for some welfare recipients. A bill is moving through the legislature in Lansing that could impact people who receive cash assistance from the state. 7 Action News reporter David Llewellyn talked to a lawmaker pushing the idea.
If you're receiving free money from the state, I don't think you should be using that money to snort up your nose or shoot up your arm. It's just not right.
Republican State Senator Joe Hune of Hamburg Township is a sponsor of the bill.
If your caseworker deems or believes that there's some suspicion that you're on drugs, they can demand the drug test.
The bill passed in the Senate last week would establish a year-long pilot program in several counties under the supervision of the Department of Human Services. $500,000 would be allocated for the program. Hune believes the legislation will provide accountability as well as savings for the state.
I just think it's a waste of money.
Democrat Vincent Gregory of Lathrop Village voted against the bill. He says other states have found people on cash assistance are not more likely to abuse substances than the general population. He calls it discriminatory and singles out and punishes the poorest of the poor.
To be clear, certainly not supporting anybody that's using drugs and receiving state aid. Definitely not that. But how are we spending our money? $500,000, and just seems like to me that we're wasting a lot of money.
Gilda Jacobs, a former legislator, is now CEO of the Michigan League for Public Policy.
Maybe it's election year pandering, maybe it's because this is something that people think the public wants to hear, but there have really been a series of bills that are really going after low-income people.
Still, there is support from some we talked with.
I think it's a very good idea. I definitely feel that there should be some testing to see what people are doing all right and what people are not doing all right.
I don't see a problem with it. I know a lot of people are going to take exception with it, but that's just my opinion.
Well, the bill has already gone through a number of changes. Children are protected now should a parent be cut off from assistance. That's something Democrats and Republicans both agree on. The bill could reach Governor Snyder's desk for his signature later this spring.
Any indication what he would sign it on?
The legislator who's pushing for the bill, he believes the governor would sign it.
All right, Dave, thank you for that.